my charts. I use 3 charts. This is the chart I use to look at like the 1 minute 30 seconds. Yeah, 1 minute 30 seconds. I pretty much use the Robinhood chart. This is Robinhood Legend, and basically I just mark my supplies. I have a VWAP on here, and I have this boiling bands. I was kind of suggested to use this, so I'm testing it out. I don't know how I like it yet. A lot of the indicators I use on all of my other charts, I'm also testing out. So yeah, if it looks messy or disorganized, that's why. I'm still figuring out what I like and what I'm using, but yeah, let's go on to my other charts then. Yes, sir. And this is my on the left. This chart I mainly use for like the 15-minute, 30-minute time frame. Sometimes I'll go on an hour. Actually, I pretty much go on the like 1 minute to 15 minute. I mean 1 minute to 30 minute on this one. I kind of overlap it, but this is probably my favorite one. It looks clean. I have the RSI. I have this Arvol. I'm still learning how to use this as well, but I have the RSI. It's a little different. I modified it. I don't know. Don't remember exactly what I did, but I'm pretty sure you could do this on your own. This isn't hard. But yeah, these are my time frames for my 15-minute chart basically, and this on the right is my day chart. This chart I really don't like. It looks very messy, very disgusting. A lot of lines. Um, a lot of lines. I have this Anchor View app that, where is the tool? This tool, you just put it at the last high. It gives you the high for I think the last view op. I don't know if I explained that correctly, but yes, that line's been crucial. That's kind of where the falling started today. But yeah, let's go back to the Robinhood chart. That's the one we really need to look at. Yeah. But today we can go on the 1 minute. Yeah, so today, actually, let's go. Let me pull this. I like this chart. I really like this chart. So let me pull. Yeah, so we'll just look at this. Today, let's go to a lower time frame. Let's go on a 3 minute. Or actually, let's come on the 1 minute. Just so we can show what it did. I want to be very precise. Yeah. So today, market opened at what it looks like 564, and from there it dropped out of my supply, retested, and dropped again. So right there, like, cause my strategy. Oh yeah, and by the way, the strategy I'm trying to use is supply and demand. If you have any other strategies you use, please let me know. I do like supply and demand, and I think it's working. But I'm also down to try anything else, obviously. But yeah, so it dropped out of the supply, came back, retested, did not make a higher high, and dropped again. So ideally, this is a great place to make a trade. As you see, it did not break its higher high, and later just continues on the downward trend. Um, my bias of today was that it may dip in the initial like the initial hours of the market, but I believe it was going to be calls like eventually, just because of how much it went up yesterday. But I don't think my bias was preventing me from going in the calls. I think like at 9:30, because this is like 3 minutes into market. I think I was busy. I think I was literally just using the bathroom, so I didn't see the trade, which is very unfortunate. That's so dumb. But so I seen this go down, and I'm like, I want to get in, but I don't know how. So I kind of seen this, and to me, it didn't really seem like, I didn't think of it as a time, but this was pretty much a lower lower high. So this was another good point of entry to get in, and it continues dipping, blah blah blah, comes up, touches this point, drops. I think here is when I kind of get into a put, a small like $50 put that comes down. I think it was up like $15 most, and then it drops again. This kind of, this at least made me think that market was reversing at the time. So let's zoom out, or actually, yeah, it was dipping, and then I get into a put around here. Last low, so I was thinking maybe I had a chance. I'll hold it, and I kept holding it. Thought I was gonna come back up, fell again, and I was like, oh, but it's not like falling. I guess I was waiting for something to out the money, and it fell a little bit but didn't hold. So literally, I was holding on to my bias of calls throughout the whole day. And I still have money left, but I wanted to make sure, like, my contract, like, I wanted to make sure there was confirmation. So literally, I'm waiting the whole day, waiting for it just to make like a higher high above like everything it just made, and it never did. It never did. So I just held on to my calls for, I think, the majority of the day. I think that I sell them around. I think I sold them around like here, but they were already out the money so long. As you can see, there was a lot of retesting, so they were already out the money. I lost my money, but yeah, I think right there I should focus on just pulling. I should probably pull as soon as it breaks my supply I have, and maybe I drew the supply maybe too high, but yeah, I think pulled way too late. Especially my completely like throw my contract out. A bigger contract I pulled too late. Also, I guess I entered too early. I need to make sure I have better confirmation. Confirmation here would have been. Let's see if I can. I have an arrow. Yeah, path. Confirmation here would have been probably breaks up here, comes down, and then pulls back up. And I kind of wanted to. I think me trying to get perfect entry made me maybe overspend it, at least initially. Like, I like to go into smaller contracts just to know trend is over, and I think I went into my bigger contract too early, and that caused me problems. So that's what I'll look for tomorrow. But let's see what it's doing after market. It went up a lot, touched my supply, and then fell. Let's see if it can hold in the night. Um, I'm not gonna. I don't have a bias tomorrow. I'm gonna just trade based off how it touches my supplies or demands. But there will be a video tomorrow morning, so look forward to that, and I'll tell you what I'm doing then. But until then, stay tuned, and also, I just hope you guys are all doing well and stuff like that. But have a good night.